Gathered here are Arabic language teachers from Lagos State-owned schools. They are here for a workshop organized by Multilingual Language International Resource Center with 371 million Arabic speakers all over the world. It is important for students to be taught the language for them to relate with speakers globally.
It is utmost important that Arabic language should be taught like other subjects. It is also a language that opens doors, technological doors, energy, construction. So for Lagos State students not to miss out of this opportunity, it is very important that Arabic language is taught and learnt by our students in Lagos State.
The Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Education, Mr. Abayomi Abolaji, says the state government has placed priority on training and retraining of teachers. Hence, all subject teachers will be trained regularly.
Yes, the importance of language, Arabic language specifically now, is so germane. Knowledge evolves, so we need to keep pace. And if we need to keep pace, it is not through personal reading alone, but also attending workshops. So that's why government places emphasis on holding workshops and seminars for our teachers. And so no subject teachers will be left behind.
Participants say the workshop is apt and an eye-opener for them.
We want to let them know that as we have teaching English for specific purposes, so also there's this new trend of teaching and learning Arabic language, known as teaching Arabic language for specific purposes. You can learn Arabic language to become a journalist. You can learn Arabic language to become a diplomat. We are expecting them, to have a new reasoning of what Arabic language is all about. And also, we also try to impact all these things into their students in secondary schools, so that at the end of the day, they have more students in secondary schools that have that interest in learning the language.
Arabic is not only confined with religion activities alone. It's a global language. As a result of this, Lagos State are making efforts in order to ensure the students in Lagos State have this opportunity, so that they'll be able to compete favorably with other global students, because we're in digital age.
When you are able to speak Arabic very well, like French, Chinese, you are going to benefit in a lot of ways. Economic-wise, I've learned that we need to be competent in order to produce a world-class learners to compete favorably in the world market.
They really learned that Arabic is supposed to be on its own according to the curriculum. Unlike what the impression we had before, that it is somehow related to Islamic studies, that if you are not a Muslim, you cannot do it. But from here, it becomes an eye-opener that even a Christian can study Arabic with some other things.
By studying Arabic, to expose you not only to speak the language, but for you to compete and interact with people from all over the world. If they are speaking Arabic, we really thank them for organizing this one and to expose the teacher to the importance of teaching Arabic in our schools.
Arabic is the 5th most spoken language in the world.